Word of the week.
The word of the week this week is Widdershins.
Widdershins. Widdershins.
Widdershins, moving in a direction opposite to the way the hands of a clock move, or counterclockwise. The term is often used in folklore and mythology to describe a direction considered contrary or unlucky, as it goes against the usual order of things. This is in the direction of clockwise, and this is in the direction of counterclockwise. Can you guess which direction the sun rays are moving? That's right, counterclockwise. The sliced orange rolled Widdershins on the table as if it was dancing at a lively party. The energetic hamster decided to run Widdershins on its wheel. The enthusiastic disco dude spun Widdershins on the dance floor, grooving to the beat.